Imagine it's October 2017. Astronomers are scanning the night sky, expecting nothing out of the ordinary. But then something bizarre happens, something that sends a ripple of shock through the scientific community. An unknown object hurtles into our solar system. At first, it's just a faint blip on the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii, but as scientists zoom in, their hearts start to race. This thing is unlike anything they've ever seen. They name it Oumuamua, meaning scout or messenger from afar in Hawaiian. But here's the catch: this scout doesn't fit any cosmic mold. Could it be a fragment of some distant star system shaped by forces we can't yet explain? Or could it be something far stranger, an ancient probe, an alien spacecraft sent to explore the stars? As we scramble to uncover its secrets, one question looms: will we be ready to face what might come next? I am Bob and you are watching Space Theory. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's set the scene. Astronomers are used to tracking asteroids, comets, and various cosmic objects within our solar system. These usually follow predictable paths dictated by the gravitational pull of our sun. But Oumuamua was different. For starters, its shape was completely unexpected. Imagine a long, thin, cigar-like rock in space. In cosmic terms, this was bizarre. Most asteroids and comets are round or irregular, like lumpy potatoes floating in the vastness. But this one looked more like a cosmic pencil, rotating end over end as it moved. Its size was also puzzling, estimated to be about 800 meters in length but only 80 meters wide. What kind of natural processes could create such an odd shape? Where did it come from? Was it a fragment of a planet that had been destroyed? But then came the real kicker: its speed. Oumuamua was tearing through space at a staggering 96,000 miles per hour. That's fast, far faster than any asteroid or comet bound to the sun. It was almost as if it was propelled by something beyond the usual forces at play in our solar system. Objects bound by the sun's gravity simply don't move that fast. They get pulled into orbits like the planets or the asteroids in the belt between Mars and Jupiter. But Oumuamua was on a hyperbolic trajectory, essentially visiting our solar system and then zooming back out into interstellar space. This suggested one shocking possibility: it had come from another star. The scientific community was electrified. This was the first confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system. It raised all kinds of questions. Where did it come from? Was it a fragment of a planet that had been destroyed? Could it be something even stranger? Oumuamua's visit had the aura of a cosmic mystery, akin to finding an ancient relic in an archaeological dig. It was an object not of our solar system, but of the vast, uncharted depths of the Milky Way. But time was of the essence. When Pan-STARRS 1 first spotted Oumuamua on October 19, 2017, scientists knew they had only 11 days before it would be too far away to study in detail. The scramble was on. Telescopes worldwide were pointed at this interstellar traveler, gathering every scrap of data they could. As observations came in, Oumuamua only grew more mysterious. Its brightness varied dramatically, suggesting it was tumbling through space. Unlike comets, it had no visible tail, no gas or dust being ejected as it neared the sun. But its speed, it continued to accelerate even as it moved away from the sun, defying our expectations. If you're wondering what the big deal was, think of it this way. Imagine you're sitting in a room and suddenly a paper airplane zooms past you, but it wasn't thrown by anyone. It just appeared, flew straight through and then vanished. That's what Oumuamua was like to astronomers. A fleeting visitor with no clear explanation for its behavior. Natural forces like gravity and inertia weren't accounting for what they were observing. How is this possible? Some scientists proposed that hydrogen ice trapped inside of Oumuamua was sublimating, turning from solid directly into gas, providing a sort of natural propulsion system. But there was no visible outgassing, something we normally see in comets. Others suggested it might be a fragment of a larger object that was torn apart in a cataclysmic event in another solar system. Yet, as plausible as these explanations were, none of them quite fit all the observations. Theories began to get wilder. Could it be a probe, an alien spacecraft? Enter Avi Loeb, a prominent Harvard astrophysicist. Loeb suggested that Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all. Perhaps it was a light sail, an extremely thin sheet pushed by radiation pressure from stars. Such a concept exists in our own science fiction and theoretical physics. A spacecraft powered by the light of its parent star, sailing through space like a cosmic windsurfer. The idea was tantalizing and sparked a wave of debate. After all, if Oumuamua was indeed an artificial probe, it could mean we're not alone in the universe. It could mean that another civilization, somewhere out there in the Milky Way, had sent it on a reconnaissance mission. Of course, this idea was met with both excitement and skepticism. Many scientists argued that Oumuamua behavior could still be explained by natural means, just ones we don't fully understand yet. Could it be made of some exotic form of ice that doesn't emit gases in the way we expect? Or perhaps it had a strange tumbling motion that caused it to speed up in ways we hadn't considered. The theories piled up, but as Oumuamua continued its journey out of our solar system, concrete answers remained elusive. While the debate raged on, Oumuamua was already slipping away. No spacecraft could chase it. No telescope could catch more than fleeting glimpses. It had come and gone, leaving us with more questions than answers. Yet its brief visit had changed things. It was a wake-up call, reminding us that our solar system is not a sealed-off bubble. We're part of a much larger galactic neighborhood, one that occasionally sends us mysterious visitors like Oumuamua. But the story doesn't end there. In the years since, scientists have been working on new technologies and strategies to catch the next interstellar traveler that comes our way. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in late 2021, offers hope for deeper insight into these enigmatic objects. With its powerful infrared capabilities, JWST can peer into the darkness of space, capturing the chemical fingerprints of distant celestial bodies. If a new Oumuamua-like object were to appear, we would be far better prepared to study it up close. Oumuamua has left behind a legacy. It reminded us of the vast unknowns that lie beyond our solar system. Was it a natural object propelled by forces we don't yet understand, or was it a messenger from another civilization, a scout sent out to explore the galaxy? The truth remains hidden in the stars, but the questions Oumuamua raised continue to drive our curiosity and exploration. And so, as we look to the future, the story of Oumuamua is far from over. It's a tale that echoes through the halls of astronomy and beyond, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Somewhere out there, perhaps even now, another interstellar visitor is speeding toward us, carrying with it secrets and wonders we can only dream of. Will we be ready to unravel its mysteries when it arrives? The cosmos waits, and so do we, with eyes turned to the stars, eager for the next chapter in this ever-unfolding story. Oumuamua's brief visit left us with more questions than answers, shaking our understanding of the cosmos and igniting the imaginations of scientists and the public alike. It was a wake-up call, a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries far beyond our current comprehension. Was it a natural object, an alien probe, or something else entirely? We may never know for certain. But what Oumuamua did prove is that we are just beginning to scratch the surface of our cosmic neighborhood. Its unexpected arrival pushed the boundaries of our curiosity and urged us to prepare for what's out there. As we turn our eyes to the stars, ready for the next interstellar visitor, Oumuamua's legacy lives on, a testament to the fact that the universe still has many secrets left to reveal. The only question that remains is, will we be ready when the next cosmic messenger arrives?